In today's world, we need a mean of transportation from traveling from point A to point B. So most people buy a car or a bike, but mainly this topic is about a car. While buying a car, people do many mistakes, and in this video I am pointing out top 10 mistakes done by people while buying a car. Guys, welcome to Motor Wings, and today car is you don't be in a hurry to buy a car or urgent to buy a car. You first need to know what type of car you need. You are living in a big city where there is lot of crowd, or a small city there is less crowd, you can buy a big car. So for example, you should watch reviews like I am doing now, and you should do lot of research about a car before buying it, because after that you buy a car, you cannot change anything about the car. The second reason is we don't try to lower the price of the car. It's not like we go to a showroom and buy a car of 15 lakhs for rupees only 2 lakhs. It's not that. We should go to the seller and approach for additional discount he can avail for us. So you can save about, if you are buying a 15 to 10 lakhs car, you can save about 20 to 10,000 rupees additionally. So don't miss out. Third mistake while buying a car is missing advantageous offers and discount. Likely when you are buying a mobile, like if you buy a mobile from HDFC card, you get a discount of 1500 bucks. So in buying a car also, you can get offers from many banks. Like if you buy it from ICC, for example, I'm not saying it is there. ICC, you can get a discount of rupees 5,000, 6,000. It is a minimum amount, but you can get a lot discount also. Like we are having many festivals in India, so brand produce a great type of offers like Diwali sale, in which you get additional product like seat cover, cowl, or car covers and that all stuffs, and you can avail those offers and save money while you buy a car. The fourth mistake of us is we don't examine the car. We all think that the brand new car is coming out of the showroom, it will not have any issues or problem. But you should perfectly examine the car before you hand the keys from the seller. There are many cases in showroom that showroom are changing the OG parts with some duplicate and cheap ones to keep their profit intact, and I am not saying that every showroom does it, but you should be conscious about it and know the right stuff which are placed in the right place, and you should thoroughly examine the car before buying it. The fourth mistake while buying a car is we cannot choose between the car's prestige and the technical aspect of the car. For example, you are buying a car for going long distance. You will not buy a BMW or that. You must know that you are consuming lot of fuel. So you are going into fuel economy. So you will buy a fuel efficient car only. Na? But if you are buying a car for show off or while riding on the weekends only, you are going for the status symbol or the brand value of the car. So you go for a BMW, or now you must say you are not going for a Tata or Hyundai. Sixth mistake while buying a car is you buy a car too big or too small for you. For example, you are buying a car for your family and your family consists of 5 members. You will of course buy a SUV or a crossover. But if you buy a 2-seater sports car, will it be familiar for your family to ride out and go to travel? No. Or else if you are having a small family of 2 people, or your wife and you will buy a 2-seater car to have fun and enjoy the roads. Okay, so buy a car according to your convenience and how much you need the space and the boot space. But also, like sports car have low boot space, and if you are a traveler type of car, you should buy a tourer car or a SUV that will have more space and you can pack up more stuff if you are going long distance touring. The seventh mistake while buying a car is buying a brand new launched car. As a car company launches a car, it always launches a car little bit higher from the MSRP to gain the much more profits. So if you wait for 3 to 2 months, the price may decrease about 20 to 30,000 if you are buying a car worth of 15 lakhs, and it is a good saving also. If you are desperate buying a car, so buy it. You are having the money, buy it. Then I am not saying don't buy the new car or show off that I bought the new one, but I should suggest buying a car which is 3 to 2 months older after its launch event. So its price may vary about to 5%. 8th mistake done while buying a car is buying optional items like a ashtray. You are not a smoker, you don't need an ashtray, man. You should not opt for the ashtray, or you don't need a sunroof. Don't opt for a sunroof car and go for a non-sunroof car. You can get an offer and discount on the car price, and it will be a great saving. 9th most important mistake done by every car buying customer is not seeing their car maintenance and expenses. If you are a salaried person of rupees 20,000 or 30,000, you buy a car worth of 20 lakhs from BMW like X1. I'm saying not it's the price, but you are going to take a loan of about 15 lakhs. You are going to give the EMI, but also the monthly expenses also there. The tire exchange. The BMW is a brand premium car, okay? So you have to pay much more for the service cost, and BMW doesn't offer free service. So you have to decide wisely what type of car you need and what are your goals of buying a car. So be prepared for buying a car, but also keep in mind the maintenance, the tire change, and the washing duty also. So it is the main topic while buying a car. We all don't think about the resale value of the car. We all buy a car, enjoy it. After 5 to 4 years, we think that this car is not of the use now. It is outdated, and we sell it at a low price. But do you think at the beginning that it will be selling at rupees 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs if you buy a car for 7 lakhs? Or if you are buying a car for 15 to 14 lakhs, it will sell around 8 lakhs to 9 lakhs. So you have to see how much is the resale value after 3 to 4 years of usage, and see according to the brand. We all see that price of the car depreciate in the first year, then depreciate slowly. So this is my opinion on buying and the top 10 mistakes while buying a car. And if you like this type of informative videos, please subscribe. Only 3.7% of you are subscribed to my channel. Okay, so hit that subscribe button, turn it grey, and press the bell icon also.